everyone, Allison from Money Done Right here with another cashback app review. Today we're reviewing Drop. Drop partners with major retailers to offer rebates on purchases and even offers a way to convert your reward points into cryptocurrency. But the app has one big drawback. In our Drop app review, we'll share the good and the bad about this cashback platform. But before we get into our review, I do want to draw your attention to our affiliate link to Drop in the description below. If after watching this video, you decide that Drop is a good app for you, we would very much appreciate it if you use our link in the description to sign up for Drop. Doing so will earn you bonus points, and it helps us to be able to continue to create quality content just like this, just for you. Thank you so much. All right, now let's get into our review. First, we'll go over what you need to know about Drop, and then we'll talk about the major pros and cons of the platform. And then finally, at the end of the video, we'll let you know what kind of person we think Drop is good for and the kind of person we think Drop may not be the best for. All right, let's get going. First of all, what is Drop? Drop is an app that provides rewards for shopping online, shopping in store, playing games in the app, and more. Most major retailers are Drop partners, so there is a good chance you'll be able to earn points for things that you were already planning on buying. In the world of Drop, 1,000 points are equivalent to $1. But that's not $1 cash money. While other cashback platforms will send cash via Venmo or check, Drop rewards are only good for getting gift cards. However, some Drop Premium members, we'll explain more about the premium status a little bit later, have the option to tie their points to the price of cryptocurrencies. If the price of those currencies increase, so will the value of Drop members' points. Drop rewards users with points for a number of actions. While most cashback portals only allow you to earn a certain percentage of points for shopping, Drop takes this a few steps further. Yes, you will see the standard earn 20 points per dollar at stores, similar to how Rakuten and others work. But Drop has some point earning options you don't see on competitor sites, like playing in-app games. You can also take advantage of the flat rate offers, such as earning thousands of points for signing up for HelloFresh. Drop members who have linked their bank accounts to the site are known as premium members and have access to additional deals. When you're ready to cash out, your points can be exchanged for gift cards. You'll see options like Amazon, Apple, and Nike, among many, many others. Now, according to Drop, you can shop more than 500 brands within the app, which isn't as many as other cashback programs like Rakuten, which offers more than 3,000 stores. But Drop seems to have the main retailers like Walmart, eBay, Apple, and Macy's. And Drop offers one that their main competitors don't: Amazon. Yes, you heard that correctly. This app does offer rewards for purchases on Amazon to a select few members. We'll explain more on that coming up a little later in the review. To earn points on Drop, you can shop in the app, shop certain offers in store as a premium member by using a linked card. You can install games from the App Store and reach a certain level to earn points. You can also use in-app games such as Snake to earn extra points. You can earn points by taking surveys from various third-party companies. There are flat rate points offers too for signing up for services like HelloFresh. And if you become a premium member, you'll earn 1,000 additional points every month. We'll have more detail about each of these coming up later in the review. But as you can tell, Drop offers more ways to earn cash back than its competitors do. And while most are simple, some may take a lot of effort and may not be worth it depending on the offer. And there are no fees for using the app or for redeeming points. As far as payouts, Drop states that you'll receive your reward within 3 business days. Once your points have accumulated, there is only one option for cashing out: gift cards. If you earn points by shopping through the Drop app, you can redeem gift cards beginning at $25, which is 25,000 points. But if you only earn points through other means, like taking surveys or playing games, Drop will not allow you to cash out until you've earned 75,000 points. Drop does not offer payout bonuses. So where can you use Drop? Well, Drop does not have a website platform other than the general information page about the app. The app is the main place to use Drop. The Chrome extension is relatively new and is fairly bare bones. It tells you where on the website you can earn points. You can click the link on the extension to start earning points. The extensions for competitors like Capital One Shopping and Honey do more than just tell you when you can get points. They give you information about ways to save money on what you're buying. Okay, we've seen all of Drop's online platforms, but what about offline? Can you earn Drop points for shopping in store? Well, that depends on each store's policy. Most stores require you to do your shopping through the Drop app, but there are a few exceptions here. Starbucks and McDonald's, for example, let you earn points in person if you have a linked credit card. Before using the card, you need to make sure you activate the offer within the app. And so what about coupons? Drop does not offer coupons in the same fashion as Capital One Shopping or Rakuten. Both of these platforms automatically apply coupons on your behalf. Instead, Drop offers stacked deals. These provide a coupon offer in addition to points. The selection of stacked deals is limited, but the savings can be significant. One of the most unique aspects of Drop is their crypto rewards program. In December 2021, Drop launched a new program that allows its members to tie the value of their points to the prices of the two most well-known cryptocurrencies. Members can choose to link the value of their points to the value of Bitcoin or Ethereum. If the price of the linked coin increases, so does the value of the member's points. And if the price decreases, the value of the member's points would decrease as well. It's a way for Drop members to participate in a cryptocurrency world without having to actually buy or sell coins through a platform, maintain a wallet, or other advanced methods of crypto trading. This service is only available to Drop Premium members, those who have linked their credit card or their bank card to Drop. Okay, what about the point bonuses? Well, as you go through the sign-up process, you can earn bonus points for completing various tasks, like reading about Drop policies or adding personal information. And Drop also offers a referral bonus of 5,000 points, that's $5, per referral. To receive those points, the user must be new to Drop and they must earn 1,000 points from an offer on the Shop tab. There's a limit of 10 referrals per account. Now, as far as Drop's customer service, your only option is to chat with a bot, which can then submit a ticket on your behalf. There's no guarantee of a response time either. Okay, let's get into the fun stuff now, diving deeper on exactly how to earn those Drop points. Shopping, that's your main cashback method. Most stores earn 20 to 30 points per dollar, 2% to 3%, while certain boosted stores can be much higher. For example, during a recent holiday season, boosts of approximately 25% were offered for top retailers like Athleta, Sam's Club, Nike, and Gap. Most of these offers will require you to shop within the app. Once you click on the offer, you can see if there's an option of in-person shopping or if you need to buy through Drop. Once you activate that offer, you can use any card linked through the Drop app and you'll receive those points. Drop's biggest competitive advantage is that certain members can earn points for Amazon purchases. Every Wednesday, Drop opens a small number of spots for Amazon. You need to open the app early and claim the offer before those spots run out. Only Drop Premium members are eligible for this, and Drop limits the number of people who can claim Amazon rewards. So here's how it works. Click the card tab in the middle of the menu bar. This will take you to the premium offers section of the app, which is where you'll find stores that offer points for shopping with a linked credit card. Now, if there are spots available, you'll be able to tap the activate button to get that offer. Now, if the spots are full, you'll need to wait until the next week to try it again. Now, if you are lucky enough to snag the Amazon offer, you'll only receive points when you shop with the card linked in Drop. And it must be said here, the cashback percentage is among the lowest Drop offers. It can drop as low as 5 points per dollar spent, or just 0.5%. Now, while this number isn't huge, it at least offers something for a retailer that most cashback portals offer nothing for. Playing games is another way to earn points on Drop. Drop has 3 in-app games that you can play to earn points. Snake is just like that classic arcade game where you have to keep your growing snake from eating its tail. You earn 1 point for each additional link added to the snake. Now, as the links increase, the game gets more difficult. At time of writing, Snake is only available if you take a certain number of qualifying surveys. Hoops, it's a basketball shooting game. For this, you get a point for each shot made in 30 seconds that they give you. Now, the games don't give out many points, but they're a free and fun way to actually earn them. You can also earn points by playing some other games too. Drop also allows you to install games from the App Store, reach a certain level, and then receive points. That's a flat rate. Dozens of games are listed on this too. Each will earn you a different point total for completing the level required. Another way to earn points is by taking surveys. Drop partners with third-party research companies to offer these surveys. They will ask you for personal information, things like your income, age, ethnicity, and some other things. Taking these surveys may also require you to permit companies to harvest additional data from your phone. verify your identity, or send you products to test. Now, most of the surveys are hosted on third-party sites. You'll be able to see the point values and estimated time of the surveys before you take them, as in this example from Drop research partner Tap Research. Surveys are not always available though. Finally, one of the largest point earning opportunities is Drop's flat rate offers. Drop also allows you to earn a big chunk of points at once by taking advantage of offers, which usually involve signing up for a service. So for example, when we recorded this, you could earn 35,000 points for signing up for Coinbase and making a trade. While you earn a lot of points, these offers usually require you to take actions that involve spending money or signing up for services. And let's talk about Drop's premium membership, which gives you additional ways to earn points. Remember, you must link a credit card to Drop to become a premium member. Only premium members can link the value of their points to cryptocurrency, leaving open the possibility of major gains if those currencies rise in value. Other premium benefits include earning points on in-store shopping, a monthly 1,000 point bonus equivalent to $1, and higher earning potential from surveys and games. So how much money can you actually make with Drop? How much you make, that's entirely dependent on how many offers you want to take on. The good thing about Drop is that the value of the points is set in stone. 1,000 points are always equal to $1. Taking advantage of the larger offers can quickly bring your balance higher, allowing you to redeem for gift cards much more often. Assuming a $50 purchase, here's how much you'd earn in rewards at a few top retailers at the time we recorded this review. So as you can see, you'll have to do a fair amount of spending to build up to the 25,000 points you'd need to cash out a gift card. The highest rate here is from Nike, which earns you 3,000 points for $50 purchase. To get past $25,000, you'd have to spend more than $400. Those are some pricey shoes. Is Drop legit? Yes, it's legit. It has more than 4 million users across all platforms. On the Apple Store, the Drop app has 4.6 stars, which is very good for a cashback app. The reviews are a bit less great on Android with 3.9 stars. Based on our experience, we would agree with the overall consensus. The Android app is slow and buggy. Okay, let's talk about some tips and some hacks for getting the most out of Drop. First, definitely utilize the flat rate offers if you can. Are you planning on signing up for a service? Check Drop first. Drop has partnerships with companies like HelloFresh and AT&T that could net you a large number of points for something that you're already planning on signing up for. Second, refer your friends. You can earn 5,000 points for each referral. That's equivalent to $5 on Drop, so be sure to get your referrals in and boost your point balance. And third, bundle your Amazon purchases. Drop is one of the very few cashback platforms that offers rewards on Amazon purchases. So if you're able to wait and bundle all your planned Amazon purchases at once, you could earn cash back that you otherwise couldn't get. Okay, let's talk about our pros and cons for Drop. Pro number one is the variety of ways to earn cash back. Shopping, playing games, and signing up for services can all net you points. Our second pro is that Drop includes Amazon. The weekly draw for users to earn points on Amazon is unique among cashback programs. Pro number three, boosted offers. Large retailers like Walmart sometimes offer 100 points per dollar, which is the equivalent of 10% back. And our fourth pro is Drop's cryptocurrency option. If you want, you can use your points to dabble in crypto investing. We don't know of any other cashback program that gives you that option. Okay, moving on to the cons now. Where does Drop drop the ball? Con number one is the poor payout options. You can only redeem your points for gift cards, and the minimum redemption is rather large at $25. The second con is Drop's hidden payout restrictions. Drop's $25 minimum redemption amount, 25,000 points, only applies to people who have shopped using Drop. Those who only earn points from games or surveys, you can't redeem until you reach 75,000 points. And con number three is the game limitations. Drop limits the number of times you can play games per week. And certain games are only available on certain days. Con number four is the confusing app. With so many options to earn points, the app suffers from being cluttered and it crashes a lot. And our fifth and final con is the small range of stores. Drop boasts just 500 stores to shop from compared to thousands of most other cashback apps. Okay, so who do we think Drop is best for and who do we think Drop is not the best for? First, it's someone who does most of their shopping online. With only a few options for earning in-store points, Drop is not the best option for old school mall shoppers. Second type of person I'd recommend Drop to is someone who considers earning points fun, like a game. The plethora of point earning options provides a good opportunity for users to earn a large number of points if they treat it like a challenge. Okay, who is Drop not good for? Drop is not for anyone who likes their online shopping to be easy and convenient. Every store has different rules about how you can earn points, especially when it comes to in-store shopping, and the app can be confusing because Drop offers so many ways to earn points. Drop also isn't good for you if you want to earn actual cash. Drop's only option for redemption is gift cards, which may not be useful for everybody. Here are our final thoughts on Drop. While Drop has the potential to be quite lucrative for users, be prepared to put in a decent amount of work. We do like the idea that they have so many ways to earn points, but the downside is that most of the larger offers are either difficult or they're expensive, like signing up for a monthly box of HelloFresh. But if you're already planning on signing up for these services, there's nothing wrong with getting some free money for doing so. If you are a frequent online shopper, there is a very good case to be made that Drop can be more lucrative than some similar apps. If that's you, try it out, and you may be surprised at how many points you actually get. And if you do sign up for Drop, be sure to use the Money Done Right affiliate link in the description below. Doing so can earn you a point bonus, and this channel may get a commission, which helps us to be able to continue to create high-quality reviews just like this one. And if you'd like to check out some of the other cashback app reviews, be sure to check out our Ibotta review, that's right over here, as well as our Honey review right down here. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.